Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and today nandito tayo sa Oslo. Actually, kahapon pa ako nandito but then ngayon pa uwi na akong Denmark as in one day lang talaga. And nagpapack ako guys kasi yeah, I'm gonna be checking out for an hour from now pero gusto ko maging okay lahat so para relax na lang. And then the reason I went here on my phone wait lang. There. Yeah, so the reason na nagpunta ako dito kasi may event sa workplace ko. Nag-work pala ako sa H&M and then I got invited um, sa big event dito. Parang every year may tinatawag silang Erling person that's like the founder of H&M Awards. So, nakasali ako. It was such a nice experience. I-include ko yung mga pictures na tinake ko. So, yun. So, ngayon, ano pala, pakita ko sa inyo lang. Sa H&M kasi guys, may new, ano sila dito ba? Parang, may flagship boutique dito, which is H&M, and then yung beauty department, parang pinofocus na nila ngayon. Dati parang side, ano lang siya, but ngayon it's like, it's a big thing. It's growing, the beauty department of H&M kasi alam naman natin it's more of clothes, kanyan. So, yeah, ito yung pinamigay nila yesterday. May pa ganyan. What else? Ito yung sinasabi ko na event there. Nice. What else? Oh, may pa body scrub. There. Yun lang ata. Yun lang ba? Yes. And then my notebook and ano. It was a nice day. Kaya lang, ang tip ko sa inyo, pag mag-travel kayo, huwag kayo mag-high heels. Huwag kayong, kasi naman, anong ginawa ko ba? Hindi ako nagdala ng luggage na i-check-in. So, hand carry lang talaga. So, I was very limited with the things that I'm able to bring. So I was thinking, okay, I'm not gonna bring any extra shoes, just the high heels, but it's not super high heels, so I'm gonna be fine. Pero, ang nangyari guys, kasi sa tagal ko siyang suot-suot, lakad-lakad, ganito, ganyan, ang sakit ng paa ko. Not the paa talaga, pero pakita ko sa inyo ha. Ow. Tingnan niyo. There. Nilagyan ko ng bandage yung parang sa dito. Yung, yeah. Yung shoes, kinakat niya yung skin ko. But anyway, that's fine. I'm surviving and pauwi na tayo very soon. And pakita ko sa inyo yung outside ng hotel na to. We're staying in Ton Hotel, which is nasa city center talaga. So, the event place, which is the H&M flagship shop, is walking distance lang, parang 8 minutes lang. So, everything is so easy. And, yeah, ganun. Ito na ang outside. Very, gloomy ang panahon. Tingnan nyo. There. Close na natin kasi there's really nothing to see. Punta kayo dito. Same lang. Ganun. all the liquid stuff. So, dito na para ready na sa airport. Hindi na ma-stress ba. pala yung ano ko, yesterday. So nice. So ito. Lagay natin dito. Para hindi. Yes. Yes, and then guys, bumili ako nito kahapon and naka-open na siya. May extra na ziplock pa ako. So, I'm gonna be putting this thing here. Yun yung parang snacks ba later. Just in case magutom tayo. Yeah. So, lagay ko siya dito. Para nakalock siya. And then fresh pa din. It's very, very nice to travel. Pero iba pa rin talaga pag nasa bahay ka. So, nice.